Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change caption language in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Meet and here I'm going to show you how we can change the caption language. Usually if we want to activate the caption, we can click on this option. Then the caption will be automatically added to our meeting. And as you can see that my current language in the caption is Indonesian and I'm going to change it. If we want to change it, we can go to the setting. You can click on this more option and then select settings and go to the captions. Then here you will be able to choose the language of the meeting or the language of your caption. And I'm going to change it to English. Okay, now the caption language has been changed and I'm going to check it. As you can see, hi, hello guys. Okay, this is the caption guys. Okay, and I'm just going to turn it off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change caption language in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.